In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a verified PayPal account in Nigeria that basically receives and sends. As you're seeing on my screen right here, this is a verified business PayPal account I created for a client just today. So this PayPal account we are seeing has been fully created and fully verified for a client, and that is why you are not seeing other information here that says submit or submit your bank to access all the features in your PayPal account. So you can see that basically the PayPal account has been fully created and verified for a client. And this is not just the first PayPal account I've created for so many clients. I've created so many PayPal accounts for so many clients. Just this week alone, just last week alone, I know how many PayPal accounts I've created for a client. And today being Monday, I've created another verified business PayPal account for a client. So I'm going to show you basically how you can create PayPal account right here in Nigeria. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to refresh my dashboard so that you won't think that it's just a duplicated dashboard. So let me refresh it so that you can take a look at it and know that this is a verified business PayPal account. So I'm refreshing it right now. So I see it on my screen, and I'm refreshing right now. And the strategies I'm going to show you here is going to work 100% for you if you just follow the simple step I'm going to teach you and how you are going to do it. So just follow me through as I show you how I'm going to do. You can see that it has refreshed. It's still the same. It's not a duplicated screen, and you can see that it's not a duplicated dashboard, that everything is intact. Now you can see right here everything. This account was successfully created today, and it has not received any forms at all. As you can see on the screen right here, it has not received any payment or any transaction yet. So and this is just something that you can do with your smartphone right here in Nigeria. So many people have this belief that as in Nigeria you cannot be able to create a PayPal account. Yes, it's good, it's true, the information is true, you cannot create a PayPal account, but there are ways that we are doing it. There are ways that you can get yourself a verified business PayPal account, because a business PayPal account is what you are going to be using to make transactions, to receive payment, and to send out. So I will be showing you how you can do that. Before we get into how you can do all of this stuff, I want to quickly show you something. You can see on my screen right here that this is a Nigeria PayPal account. Not that as a Nigerian that you cannot create a PayPal account. As a Nigerian you can create a PayPal account, but the disadvantage of creating a Nigeria PayPal account is that you can only use it to receive. Now let me show you right here. You can see that on this picture we only have personal. That means normal PayPal account is supposed to have personal and business and marketing. Are you getting me? But right here, PayPal Nigeria will only have personal, which means business feature is missing. And what you can do with personal PayPal account is that, look at it, how to pay, how PayPal works. What you can do with a personal account, look at it, you pay online payment without borders, send payment abroad, and search for this. So these are the things you can do with your Nigerian PayPal account. So as a Nigerian, you can have a PayPal account, and the PayPal account that you're going to have as a Nigerian PayPal account is only meant for purchasing something online, purchasing stuff online. Are you getting me? So you are not basically going to use it to maybe to send it to someone. People can only send it to you, your account you receive, and you use it to purchase something online, like buying stuff, like buying a hosting, buying a domain, purchasing something from Amazon, purchasing something from ShopRite. All those kind of marketplace is what you use this kind of form for. Are you getting me? So Nigeria PayPal account basically cannot send out forms. It can only receive forms. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a verified business PayPal account in Nigeria. And you know the thing we have right here on the internet right now is that if you go to YouTube, if you come to YouTube right now, search for how to create PayPal account, almost everybody is teaching the same method, just one method, and that method has been casted, so it's no longer working again. So if you want to create a verified business PayPal account, stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you the trick I use and the country PayPal account that I created that has been working perfectly for me and both for my client. Are you getting me? So that is what I'm going to show you in this lesson. Now let me show you another stuff here. So you can see that this is a PayPal AE. This is a PayPal AE country, that is Arab country. So many people, if you come basically to YouTube, so many people will tell you that this is the country PayPal account that is working. AE is the PayPal account that is working. If you go to Google, just search about it, you are going to see. They'll be telling you, this is the kind of PayPal that you need to create as a Nigerian and receive payment and all of that, blah, blah, blah. The truth is that this method, this country PayPal account, is no longer working perfectly for Nigerians. Do you know why it's no longer working perfectly for Nigerians? Because the traffic that is going to this particular PayPal country is becoming much. So immediately you are creating your PayPal account, immediately they are banding it along the line with you. If yourself, you will not even be allowed to even log out before they ban the account. That is why this particular country PayPal account is no longer working, because there is no way you'll be able to create it, and they will tell you to verify it. See it, you will not be able to verify it. Are you getting me? So that's the disadvantage of AE PayPal country, this particular PayPal account, this AE, because it has been casted. Everybody on YouTube, on Facebook, everywhere, they will tell you to create a PayPal account. This is a particular country, they will always tell you to create PayPal account, and the traffic going to this particular country PayPal account is massive. As a result of that, immediately you create it and you cannot provide a reasonable document to verify the account, they will ban it. Are you getting me? But the amazing thing is that I will show you how you can figure this stuff out. Are you getting me? I will show you how you can figure this stuff out. And if you come to this particular PayPal account, as you are seeing on the screen right here, as you are seeing it on the screen right here, that they have a personal account, they have business, they have entrepreneur. Are you getting me? Now look at their personal account. Their personal account, what can you do? You pay online, you send payment, you get paid, and all of that. Look at the business PayPal account. You pay online checks, no code checkout, invoice and recurring payments, and all of that. And as someone who is into online business, like you are working Fiverr, you're working Upwork, you're a freelancer, you're a blogger, or you're a content creator, you need business PayPal account. Are you getting me? That is what you need. Business PayPal account that receives and sends. Are you getting me? That is a particular business PayPal account that you need to get all the kind of features that you want for your PayPal account. And to create this kind of account is very simple. You just come to business, you click on the business. You either click on the business or you just click on sign up an account. Then it's going to take you to the page where you are going to sign up an account. You can set up an account. It's very simple. It's not difficult. But the disadvantage of this particular PayPal country is that it's no longer supported, because as soon as you are creating it, they are binding or limiting all the features along the line. And they will ask you to provide a document that you need to verify. Even at the extent of providing it, they will still go ahead to limit it or permanently block it. Are you getting me? So that is just the disadvantage. Those people telling you to create this particular PayPal account, country PayPal account, they are no longer working. You create it, they will limit it. But I'll be telling you the particular country that I use to create PayPal account and get it verified immediately. Even when I create it, they will not even ask me to verify it, because it has been automatically verified since my information are complete. So in this video, I will show you how I do those stuff step by step. So let's wait as this as it opens to another page, so that you can take a look at how you can get this stuff done for yourself. How you can get it done for yourself. So I'll be showing you how you can do that. Let's hold on. So you can see that it has opened the page. Then let's click on it to verify that we are not robots. Okay, so let's hold on a bit. Then once it's open, all you just need to do, you choose your particular PayPal account that you want to create, and the major PayPal account that is advisable for you to create is business PayPal account. If you're a freelancer, you're a content creator, you're a blogger, it is advisable to choose a business PayPal account. That is the kind of PayPal account that you basically need. Are you getting me? So you can see right here on the screen, you say create a business account. So create a business account. So all you need to do is to choose to create a business PayPal account. You put in your name, your last name, and your phone number, and or your email address, and all of that, and you are good to go. Within the space of 10 minutes, you have been able to create this kind of PayPal account, and your account will be created, but you will not be able to verify it, because as soon as you are creating it, they are binding it at the same time. They are limiting it at the same time that you are creating. That's just the disadvantage of it. But if you follow what I'm going to tell you right now to do it, you'll be able to learn the strategies on how to create a PayPal account. I teach about 8 different country PayPal account that you can create right here in Nigeria. And the amazing thing is that you don't need to change your VPN, you don't need to use VPN, you don't need to change your IP. You use your smartphone or your PC to do all of these things without stressing yourself or changing your IP address or using VPN. Everything is just done with your mobile phone, and you'll be able to create this kind of PayPal account that I've just created for my clients right today, this morning. So the thing I'm going to give to you is that I have a particular training that I'm going to that I'm giving you access, and that training is called PayPal Made Easy. As you can see right here on the screen, PayPal Made Easy, your ultimate guide for creating a verified business PayPal account right here in Nigeria. So I am giving you access to this particular guide. It's a step-by-step training where you'll be able to learn how to create a verified business PayPal account for yourself right here in Nigeria. You don't need to struggle. So in this training, you'll be able to learn different 7 PayPal countries that I create. Are you getting me? About you are learning 8 different country PayPal account that you can create right here in Nigeria, and you don't need to change your IP. You don't need to use VPN. All you just need to do is use your normal browser, Google Chrome browser, and you'll be able to create a verified business PayPal account. And the amazing thing is that I'm just giving you this offer as my audience here on YouTube for just 5K. I'm just giving you access to it for just 5K. If you grab this PayPal Made Easy right now, as soon as you finish watching this lesson, as soon as you just finish watching this video right now, and you click at the link at the description of this video or at the comment, the link at the comment, I am giving you access to this training for just 5K. It is an ebook. It's not a video course. It's an ebook. It's a step-by-step, and everything is documented, both with the images, how to do it step-by-step. You see everything properly documented. So I am giving you access, just few people access to it for just 5K. And once I get the numbers of the people I'm giving access for 5K, I may decide to change it from 5K to any amount that I want. But as soon as you just finish watching this video right now, just click at the link at the description of this video to grab it right now for just 5K. And before I move, let me blow your head a little. You can see these are PayPal accounts I've created for clients. You can see these are PayPal accounts that I've created for clients, fully verified PayPal account. You can see that I've received payment so much with my PayPal account. As you can see on the screen, these are my name, and these are payment that I've received with my PayPal account. So much that I've received with my PayPal account, and you can see these are my PayPal account that I created for clients. You can see this one I created, this one for clients too. All these ones I created them for clients. Are you getting me? And these are things you can learn by yourself. All these ones you are seeing right here on the screen, they were created for a client. Are you getting me? And these are things you can also do for yourself if you take advantage of the PayPal Made Easy guide that I'm giving you access to. And the cool thing is that you can learn this particular strategy, use it to create your own personal PayPal account, and also be making money from it, charging people to create PayPal account for them. And if you want to charge people to create just one PayPal account for them, you can charge them around 30K to 50K, depending on how you want to charge. But the lowest is from 30K that you can charge a client. You can see that these are forms that I've received with my PayPal account. This is my domain name. This particular name that you are seeing here is my domain name for one of my blogs. That is why you are seeing that. And you can see that so many forms have been received with my PayPal account right here in Nigeria. No changing of IP. You can see you have received a payment of 97 USD. You can see that these are payments that I've received with my PayPal account right here in Nigeria. And you can take advantage of this particular, my strategy to create a verified business PayPal account for yourself. You can see you have received a payment of 95 USD from this company. So, and the cool thing is that this strategy is very simple for anybody to follow. So it's very simple for anybody to follow. So all you just need to do, click at the link at the description of this video, or at the first link at the comment section of this video to take advantage of it. You are just getting it for just 5K. And it's one time. You are not paying another thing, another forms to get to set it up. You are not purchasing any VPI. You are not purchasing any stuff to just get it done. Once you just get it for 5K, that is all. You are not purchasing anything. You are not paying for anything again. The 5K just cover everything for you, and you learn 8 different country PayPal accounts that I create right here in Nigeria. And the amazing thing is that I will give you access to my private group on my private channel, where you can ask questions. When you have any challenges, you can send me a message direct, and we can get you done. So if this is what you want, I want you to hit the link and the comment and get this stuff. So see you guys.